Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a picture into a shape in Word 2016. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu and create a shape. Click the Shapes option and create a oval shape. Then press Shift to right way insert this shape. Then go to the Format menu and click Shape Fill option. Then choose Picture. Then we click From a File. Then we insert a picture on our file. Now we can see here we insert a picture into shape very easily. Now we resize the picture, go to the Format menu and click Crop option. Then choose Crop. Now we crop our picture to right ratio. Then click the another page. Now you can see here we insert a picture into a shape. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.